I'm Althea Fergakis, and right now you are looking at some of the inner workings of Pixelfish, my capstone project for the fall 2014 semester. The goal was to create an interactive fish tank experience creating the illusion of depth without any sort of need for a peripheral device. Pixelfish was heavily inspired and influenced by Johnny Lee Chung's work in desktop VR, of which here is a sample.
Just like in real life, by moving our head around, we can look behind objects. And if you look really closely, some targets actually appear to be floating out in front of the screen, reaching into the real world. If we get closer to the screen, we get closer to the objects, and we can even get behind the ones floating in front of the screen.
Chung achieves this effect by tracking two infrared lights attached to the user's head. I felt that I could replicate the effect without those, instead using a standard webcam and processing it in Max NSP, which I achieved through the use of some objects in the CV library created by Jean-Marc Pellier. I then take the data from that into the Max Unity the Max Unity connection kit, which was developed at Virginia Tech. All of that controls an in-game camera in Unity, which would then affect this scene. However, because I am using the camera, I'm unable to show you this. However, you will see other instances of this working. Alright, so right here I have Gino demonstrating the play of Pixelfish, the project. Unfortunately, it's not as exciting in video as it is in person due to the fact that it's doing eye tracking. For the showcase, the system was displayed on a large plasma screen with a high-res webcam, which solved some of the tracking errors simply in that it no longer had to be as exact. The way that we achieve our depth is that the X direction is taken from, or the X and Y directions are taken from the right eye, and the Z depth is taken from the space between your eyes. Here is an example of it at the showcase. You can get closer to it. Is the light messing it up? It shouldn't be. If you have any questions or if you would like to play with it yourself, I would be happy to send you the tools as well as a few other scenes I created for the purpose. Just email me at the email on your screen. Thank you. These fish have more or less the same autonomy as the Pixelfish do. So as you see, my animations have been very true to life.